Welcome to Speak Stride English, the best place to help you learn English.
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Tomatoes. B. Avocados. C. Potatoes. Answer: avocados. Which of these is a common tropical fruit? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Blueberry. Answer: banana. What is tofu primarily made from? A. Soybeans. B. Chickpeas. C. Lentils. Answer: soybeans. Which dairy product is commonly used in pizza? A. Cheese. B. Yogurt. C. Cream. Answer: cheese. What type of food is sushi? A. A type of salad. B. A type of fish. C. A Japanese dish. Answer: a Japanese dish. What does bake usually refer to? A. Frying food. B. Cooking in an oven. C. Grilling food. Answer: cooking in an oven. What is the main ingredient in hummus? A. Chickpeas. B. Lentils. C. Soybeans. Answer: chickpeas. Which of these is a leafy green vegetable? A. Carrot. B. Spinach. C. Potato. Answer: spinach. What type of food is gelato? A. An Italian ice cream. B. A type of pasta. C. A cheese. Answer: an Italian ice cream. Which of these is a common breakfast food? A. Pancakes. B. Salad. C. Soup. Answer: pancakes. What is basil? A. A fruit. B. A herb. C. A type of grain. Answer: herb. What do you call a person who doesn't eat meat? A. Vegan. B. Omnivore. C. Vegetarian. Answer: vegetarian. Which fruit is known for its high vitamin C? A. Apple. B. Strawberry. C. Orange. Answer: orange. What is the main ingredient in an omelet? A. Milk. B. Eggs. C. Butter. Answer: eggs. What do you call a meal that combines breakfast and lunch? A. Supper. B. Brunch. C. Tea. Answer: brunch. What is a common ingredient in Italian pasta dishes? A. Seaweed. B. Anchovy. C. Tomato. Answer: tomato. Which of these is a spicy Mexican sauce? A. Pesto. B. Salsa. C. Alfredo. Answer: salsa. Which grain is commonly used to make bread? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Oats. Answer: wheat. What's the main ingredient in mashed potatoes? A. Potatoes. B. Flour. C. Cauliflower. Answer: potatoes. What is another name for confectioner's sugar? A. Brown sugar. B. Powdered sugar. C. Raw sugar. Answer: powdered sugar. Which of these is not a citrus fruit? A. Lemon. B. Apple. C. Lime. Answer: apple. Which of these is considered a dairy product? A. Bread. B. Milk. C. Chicken. Answer: milk. What kind of food is falafel? A. A type of bread. B. A fried ball made of chickpeas. C. A type of cheese. Answer: a fried ball made of chickpeas. Which seafood is typically used in sushi rolls? A. Salmon. B. Tuna. C. Shrimp. Answer: salmon. What is kimchi made of? A. Cabbage. B. Carrot. C. Onion. Answer: cabbage. Which of these is a root vegetable? A. Spinach. B. Potato. C. Lettuce. Answer: potato. What is a common ingredient in smoothies? A. Celery. B. Banana. C. Radish. Answer: banana. Which of these foods is high in protein? A. Broccoli. B. Chicken. C. Watermelon. Answer: chicken. What is the primary ingredient in French fries? A. Bread. B. Rice. C. Potato. Answer: potato. What is a baguette? A. A type of cheese. B. A long, thin loaf of bread. C. A type of wine. Answer: a long, thin loaf of bread.